Breath. In many ways, breath is probably the most powerful thing in us. Unfortunately, breath is the one thing we hardly pay attention to. But when we begin to pay attention to our breath begins to share its secrets with us. It has many secrets. As we begin to create this intimacy, a lot of clarity starts coming in our beings, in our minds, and we begin to see, understand things that were never part of our understanding earlier. Breath gives it to us. So it's important that we start working on creating this intimacy with our breath. As we do some exercises, I'll show you now how you can coordinate your exercises with the breath so that the energy travels top to bottom and bottom to top. When this happens, your channels will open. Channels open means all parts of your body are getting the goodness that comes with the breath and energy. So I'll show you some of these exercises now.